Hi, I'm going to show you how to add a logo, text or any object to Squid Game Candy. You can download this stock in the description link for working along with me. First, we have to remove the umbrella from the candy surface by using Sport Healing Brush tool. Just paint over it and Photoshop AI will remove it for you. Remove these dark areas over here as well. Here, I take the Starbucks logo as an example. The logo is transparent. Now use Move tool to drag it to our project. Go to Edit, Free Transform. Click to the corner to rotate and expand the logo. Edit, Transform, Distort. Pull the corner just to make it lay on the surface. Click to FX icon and choose blending options. Reduce fill opacity to 0% and check to velvet impulse just to reveal the border of the logo. In Technique, choose your heart, Style in the velvet. Click to Stroke. Set the color with this code, #3E3216. Size 5 pixels. Position center. Blend mode overlay. Check to auto glow effect. Reduce the opacity to 80%. Use the same color code. We also need drop shadow. Choose black in color box. Here the before and here is the after. Okay. Head to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. 0.5 pixels. Confirm. We'll add a bit of brightness and contrast to it. Create brightness contrast adjustment layer. Set brightness and contrast at 15. Click your adjustment icon and select Color Lookup. In 3D LUT file, choose Fuji F125. Decrease the opacity to 20%. That's it. Hope you liked this tutorial. Hit like and subscribe buttons so we have more motivation for launching tutorials in the future. See ya!